Good morning, everybody. Today is a big day. We've gotten a lot of work done around here. I was able to get my electrical work in for the new pool heater. And before I go any further, let me just say that this video is sponsored by Hayward. They sent me this heater to unbox and install, so we're going to get to it. Now what you'll see here is that is now my 40 amp electrical service for the heater. I've taken the old heater out, which was sitting back over here. I put in a 4-foot by 4-foot pad because I want the heater sitting forward a little bit to make it easier for me to get behind it and work on piping and things like that. So the electrical's done all the way from the box right out to the disconnect. The disconnect is off, the circuit's off in the basement. So we're ready to unbox this today and get it in place. So what you're going to see here, this is the new Hayward 110,000 BTU heater. It's brand new technology, and it's supposed to be a game changer, and we're going to find that out. Must remain in an upright position, and it has. It's a best-in-class corrosion service, improved heating in cooler weather. This is little, looks like it's in French. And this is the HeatPro. I will post the model number down below, so you have the right model number. But this is their new 110,000 BTU heater. Oh, here's the model number. It's a W3HP21105T as in Tom. The keep upright meter is perfectly fine, no damage to it. And you'll see how we moved it up here. It was kind of busy. It's got some new kind of industry first, it says, a micro channel heat exchanger. So we're going to see what that's all about. But let me get you back here a little bit. Give me some room to work on this. Hopefully you can see okay. I'm sure you can. And let's get the unboxing started. Today's a perfect day to do this. It couldn't be any better. It's strapped to the pallet. We'll take the straps off. We just cut them. Pull them out. Now my intention is to get this box off the pallet, jockey it over near the pad, and then get it into place. Oh, it's in here. It's in here. Let's take our time. There we are. There she is. It's a pretty looking unit. Nice. Let's take a look at it. That's up front. It's down inside the unit if you can see much. Okay, it's the back. And that's the other side over here. Wow, that is really something. Wow, that's beautiful. Just want to center it on that pad. That's pretty close. Looking pretty good. So that's our unboxing and our placement, product placement. Let me give you all angles here. All right, we got a lot going on here. Got everything ready to go. As our bonding lug is there. And there's your front panel. And we meet all the electrical requirements too, so that's good. So that is our unboxing of the Hayward HeatPro 110,000 BTU pool heater. Like I said, electrical's in. I've got a whip ready. This is a beautiful moment for me. I've been waiting for this for a while, being able to upgrade my heater. And thanks to the folks at Hayward. Thanks for making it happen. I appreciate it. God bless everybody and enjoy your summer. We'll continue on with installation videos as we get to them. Thank you so much.